Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to do a super sparkly, really natural, kind of supermodel glam kind of look. It's going to be a bit more of a spotlight eye is what I'm thinking. And I'm going to start with my skin today because we're not going too heavy on the eyes. I'm going to use the Kiko Hydra Pro Glow Sublime Lighting Effect Moisturising Cream. I really like this. I've been using this pretty much every day underneath my foundation and stuff. Just apply that with my hands. And then the foundation I'm going to use is the Bourjois Healthy Mix in the colour Vanilla, 52 Vanilla. And what brush shall I use? I'm going to just use a big brush like this, just so it's not too much coverage. I just want it to be quite natural, just buffed in, perfect looking skin. Also just taking that over the lid of my eye, just whatever was left on the brush. For under eye concealer, I'm just going to take my Chanel in number 20. This is Le Crêpe de Chanel. And just a little bit under. I really like the shade of this because it's almost got like a little bit of orange. So I feel like it kind of cancels anything underneath my eye that I'm like not a huge fan of. But I'm just going to let that sit there just so it can build up a little bit more coverage, just for like a minute, not even a minute, just for a hot second, and then I'm just going to smooth it in. This is just like a mini foundation brush. Whatever's left. Over the lid again. And then I'm going to put quite a bit of my bronzer on. This is the Kiko Unexpected Paradise Bronzer in 011 Honey, just on a Real Techniques blush brush. Really going to warm the face up, so cheekbones, forehead, bit everywhere. The key to the skin is just to keep it looking quite natural. We don't want it to look like we've got too much makeup on. We just want it to look like you've got great skin. Just so everything's kind of really buffed into the skin. And then we're going to start on the eyes. So first things first, I've got a new product. This is the Pink Honey Cola Cubes Tint and Hold. This is a brow gel. I saw this on Instagram and loved the look of it. I bought the one with the tint just because I love a tinted brow gel. Just going to squirt some water on a spoolie. And then it just says you've got to swirl it round for 10 seconds with even pressure. I'm just going to brush them up. I love the smell of this. It really smells like old school Cola Cubes. I love that it's got the little hole to dip spoolie in. It's very clever. And then I'm just going to let that brow gel set a little bit. I'm just going to kind of just take a cotton bud and just get rid of any residue around the edge. I could see. One of my favourite things to do is actually to use blusher as eyeshadow. This one's by MAC and it's in the colour Melba. And I just love that because it's tones that would naturally be found in someone's skin tone, like blushes, you're meant to choose a blush that you would naturally flush. It's just a super natural way of adding some definition into the eye socket. So I'm going in with Melba on my Kitco, my Blending Shadow Large. And this is just going to go into the crease. And this blush is just the most beautiful, gorgeous, like peachy tone. So pretty. Nice big circles, just blending, but keeping like the structure of the brush in the actual crease. And then I'm just going to run some underneath as well. And then just going to build up that inner corner a tiny bit more. Kind of want the middle of the eye just to be blank. like that. And then I'm going to use this shadow from Kiko. I don't know whether this was limited edition or not, but it's the Chrome eyeshadow in 02 Chameleon Gold, and it is a gold with a reflex of like pink through it. It's just beautiful. Take this on my finger. I'm just going to run this down the centre of the eye like this. I almost kind of want it a little bit in the crease, so that then you can take this brush and just kind of dust it so it's not like a solid line there. But you want this like supermodel glow to the eye, so we're going to take it underneath as well, just in the centre. And again, just going to take this brush just to get rid of any bits we don't want. You can even just take your concealer brush and just smooth it underneath if you feel like it's gone a bit too low. And that's just kind of like the vibe. It's just a super gorgeous natural, but it's got that glitter there that just makes all the difference. So I'm just gonna, whilst we've got that blusher out, I'm going to put that on my cheeks as well. I'm going to use the Morphe brush, if I can find it, the Morphe JH06, which is my favourite blush brush. And then it just kind of ties everything in together because you've got matching cheeks and eyes, all the same gorgeous tones. I'm just going to go away and put a layer of mascara on. I'm going to use this one, which is my favourite at the minute, which is the Kiko Maxi Mod Volume and Definition Mascara. If you used to love MAC Upward Lash, I've not found one to replace that yet. This is the closest I've come, and it actually has the exact same brush, if it will focus. Yeah, the exact same brush as Upward Lash. So if you're a massive MAC Upward Lash fan, give this one a go because it has changed my life. So I'm gonna go put this on and then I'll see you in a second. And this is the look with mascara, and I've tried to focus the mascara like towards the edges so it's a little bit more flicked out, but yeah, that's it with mascara. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit of brows on now. The brow gel has had time to set. I'm just gonna use a couple of shadows from MAC. I'm mixing these two. This one's definitely Amigo, but I can't remember what this one is, but just a little mixture. And just filling in any little gaps. This is on a Soigné Wing It brush. For highlight, I'm going to use the Glossier Night Shine Highlighter Concentrate in Pale Pearl. And just dot this on at the tops of the cheekbones. So we want that like Hollywood supermodel glow that's just like almost just skin, like no glitter. Just got that like, you just look at someone and go, oh my god, their skin. That's what we want. And a tiny bit down the nose. Just on the temples, why not? Obsessed with this product, I just think it's stunning. It's just so natural. And then lips, I'm going to take a Morphe lip pencil in Backseat Love and just fill the entire lip in. And then I'm going to take the Lisa Eldridge lip gloss in, well, it's the Gloss Embrace in the colour Beauty, which is this gorgeous pink. Just obsessed with the shape. I mean, it's really interesting. Just take a dabble of that. Such a nice coloured pigment to the gloss. Not added loads of that, so it's not super shiny, but just got the colour and like the glossiness of that. And that is the finished look. So it's super natural. It's just got that gorgeous shiny lid with the gorgeous healthy skin. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this little supermodel kind of gorgeous everyday sparkly look, and I will see you all next Sunday. Bye.